Just across state line in Tennessee this morning, Fayetteville's mayor says the town is in recovery mode after a devastating fire. And part of that process is finding ways to support the business owners impacted. 4 buildings were destroyed, leaving at least 5 businesses without a place to operate. The extent of that fire damage is in the surrounding building, and it's not really known at this time. The Tennessee Department of Economic Development is coming in to support the businesses as they work to reopen their doors. Now, Mayor Donna Hartman says city leaders are making time to help wherever they can.
Our public works department, our street department, our police department, fire department, everybody is coming together, and whatever they need, they just tell it, we work, we get it done.
You'll notice there is now a fence surrounding the rubble. Hartman says that's to keep everyone safe and away from unstable buildings as cleanup continues. Now, if you'd like to donate to help out any of those businesses or with the recovery efforts, we'll tell you exactly how on the story on WHT.com.
I'd like to reemphasize